Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. In the last week we have seen two big headlines coming from the upcoming Huawei P40 series. One news is came from the Twitter leak star team. He says the Huawei P40 Pro will come with two camera with a large Sony sensor plus two zoom cameras. And the second news is came from the biggest tech website, the digitaltrends.com. They post the picture of the upcoming Huawei P40. This is the early prototype hands-on reveal design. First of all, we're talking about the P40 early prototype hands-on, as Huawei confirmed its plan to introduce the Huawei P40 flagship series on this month, March 26. Digital Trends managed to get a hold of the prototype unit of the Huawei P40, giving us our first look at the next generation Huawei flagship. It's important to note that they were not allowed to play with it. The phone, software and cameras nor show that the screen or confirm any of the key specs. Starting off the Huawei design, the P40 is said to come with the same dimension as the outgoing P430 Pro last year, but with some added thickness. It also comes with a curved glass body that sits more comfortable in the hand thanks to its rounded corner and supports a highly reflective glossy finish. The phone will feature a curved display but not as prominent as the waterfall, offering the Mate 30 Pro as well as a physical volume and power button. The back of the feature with a triple camera setup, as you can see on your screen. This is the back side of the Huawei P30. They include a periscope camera as well, an ultra wide shooter and the 52 megapixel main camera. We don't get any new info about this phone here, but the hands-on notes the sensor appear larger than the P30 Pro last year. There is also ToF sensor on the side for the deep mapping alongside the flash and microphone. The bottom feature a Type-C port and a speaker grills, but no headphone jack. Now going to the second news. The second news is about the Huawei P40 Pro version, and the Chinese leak star he posted on Twitter about the upcoming Huawei P40 cameras. They say the Huawei P40 Pro camera, the main module on the back, will reportedly feature a Sony IMX700 sensor that is Greek for 16, which likely refers to the quad pair sensor we heard about in the January. It reportedly does 2 rounds of 4 in 1 pixel binding. It's a large 1x128 sensor with a 52 megapixel resolution that results 13 megapixel shoot after 1 round of the binding, just a 3.25 MP after 2 rounds, likely reserved of a night mode. Despite the buyer name, the sensor is actually said to have a RYYB color filter instead of the usual RGB. The ultra-wide cine camera will also feature a fairly large sensor. This is 1 by 1.5 Sony IMX650 with a 40 megapixel resolution and an RGB filter. Most interesting of all, the combination of 2 zoom cameras, periscope with a 10x optical zoom and the regular telephoto camera with a 3x zoom. The upcoming Huawei flagship will also feature a ToF sensor and color temperature sensor that will aid the camera module on the back. All this sound a lot like the Huawei P40 Pro Premium Edition that was rumored in early January. We also make a video on that Huawei P40 Premium. You can watch this video on my channel. But the Huawei P40 Pro was supposed to have a 5x periscope zoom. Huawei will officially unveil the P40 lineup on March 26 this month. Then we will find out the actual product lineup. We will, aside from the Huawei P40 Lite and the P40 Lite E, those are already official and are rebranded version of the existing device as well. So the upcoming 2 weeks is more important of the upcoming Huawei P40 series. We will update more about this series, so make sure to subscribe and like this video, subscribe for more tech videos and enable the bell icon for latest video notification. And if you have any question about this phone, let me know in the comment section. And also I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.